Hi, this is Vinay Borhade. Today we are going to talk about the use cases of machine learning for social causes. Let's take a few examples. To begin with, water management. Water crisis is a big issue today for India. Chennai is one such example. Why we are getting into this water crisis? Why couldn't we predict them before? And if we want to predict, can machine learning help us in this cause? We can predict the shortfall in the water resources by taking the rainfall data, by understanding the population density in Chennai and the geographical nature, so that we can put these parameters in the machine learning which will predict us the consumption of the water resources for the given population. Historically, if the data matches and it forecasts that there will be a shortfall in the coming year or next year, it would be a red flag for the government officials to work to mitigate such crises. Similarly, another example would be climatology. The tree cover is very important for the human species to exist. And we also know that the tree covers has been diminishing at the fast pace. If we have to maintain the tree cover, we have to ensure we count those trees and the species efficiently. For human beings, it is a next to impossible task. But with the new technologies like satellite imagery, we should be able to take these images, put in a machine learning, specifically neural networks, and try to count the number of trees, let's say every week. This should give us a fair idea of the green cover on the earth anywhere on the location for the particular latitude and longitude. The next example would be renewable energy, that is of the prominent importance. Let's take an example of windmills. To install a windmill, you need to understand how the wind flows, in what direction, at what speed, and if it is conducive for the turbines to rotate at a certain speed, then and only then the windfalls will be efficient to generate a sustainable energy. To understand what are the parts in the country where you can install these windmills and efficiently produce and supply the energy generated through them, we should definitely use machine learning algorithms to forecast and predict the locations as well as the make of these windmills. Further, crisis management could be one of the prominent use cases for machine learning for social causes. Let's say we have a heavy rainfall and the situation is flood-like. We need to predict such cases where the government is ready to help the people who would be suffered in this kind of crisis. Same happened in Assam few days back. We were much better prepared thanks to machine learning and data science to help the people of Assam and Orissa who were hit by the hurricane. Last to talk about will be the health and the nutrition. NGOs are fighting the infant mortality rates and the malnutrition practices around the globe. We are getting good amount of resources in terms of donations and food supplies. But the major concern is, are we reaching out the needful in the efficient manner? Machine learning definitely can help us, help the NGOs in turn to reach out the deceased, to help the poor and the malnourished, and make sure that the society is under well-being. These are few of the examples where machine learning can be used for social causes. Many of the startups today are helping for this cause. Hope after seeing this video, we should be motivated to join the same cause as well.